Hello, everybody. This is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. So, for today, I will be doing my 2026 bullet journal. Yes, I'm going to set it up for the year, and I'm using this beautiful notebook from Leela Journals. It is their A5 notebook from the tulip spell book. It's the Rapunzel color, and it's so pretty with the gold foil, the sides, and this beautiful cover page. And yeah, as you can see, I did already start my December in here because I had no more space in my previous notebook. So yeah, so we will start my 2026 on on a few more pages after December. So I will be using the balloons. Those year balloons are from Sadie stickers. So I got it from a tiered freebie during her Black Friday, and I'm also using the My News Addiction. So this kit is from My News Addiction, and I'm using both the the weekly kit and the deco kit. So right now I will be putting like the corner flowers on like the four corners of this no of these pages because I wanted to show instead of like goals, or at least it's still like goals. I'm going to show you that I will still continue to, or I'm still going to continue to do planning, do stickers, do memory planning, this new bullet journaling for me, reading journals. So a lot of memory planning and a lot of stickers. So it'll still continue in the new year. And then for the balloons, I'm putting as a backdrop the alcohol ink swatches. So I saw this from from Shantae Plants, how she did the 2026 year with the same balloons from Sadie stickers. So I'm like, it really looks so good with the alcohol ink swatches at the back. So that's why this inspired me to do the same with this year. And yeah, do check out her bullet journal as well, as because her setup is so very beautiful. All right, so the second corner would be for my traveling plan. So I have no travel plans at the moment, so I have that like globe, and I'm going to put down the map as well of the whole, or like, the whole earth. Universe, not universe, the earth. Because I do plan to have some traveling plans in the next year. Hopefully, I don't have any at the moment, but it usually comes up like late spring when I try to think of where to go for the summer. So that's still going to happen, hopefully. And then, of course, for the this corner, I have my books because, oh my gosh, books are just my favorite thing to do. I just love to read. I listen mostly to audio. And I've read so many books this year, and I want to continue to that doing that in the next year. So that's why that's another corner with that really comfy seat that, while reading a book. All right, the last corner for this page, like it's like, my goals, still my goals for the coming year is that this will be where I put down my work. Because yes, in order for me to be able to afford all these hobbies, I need to work. So that is my fourth corner that will continue in 2026. And yeah, it's just so lovely. These are my goals in life. And then we have the really nice positive quotes that I'll be putting down in each corner as well. Just to, when I turn the page or when I flip into this page, I can see like, positive quotes or uplifting quotes that will help me with my goals. So yeah, this is for this page. It's so, so pretty. And we will go on to the next pages. So the next thing I'm doing for 2026, my year, these things that I'm doing is actually the things that I think I need. I've watched so many videos, so many pictures of bullet journals for 2026, and I think these are the pages that will help me out with the year. All right. So yeah, so I will have this future log. So it will have all the months of the year posted. So future log is where I want to put down everything that events or doctor's appointments, those kinds of next what will happen during the month. So I actually have a page in my previous bullet journal like next month's activity, so at least for that one I don't have to put that in my monthly journal. I'll have it all here in this future log. So I really found this important because I was using it a lot for my monthly journal. So at least there's just one glance. It's also like a year at a glance kind of pages, so that will help me out. I did use those calendar stickers are from Paper Trail Plans. So you can get those from their shop, and you can use my PR code Christy15 to save 15% off. So now we are at the 2026 theme. So the foil 2026 is from Sadie Stickers as well. She has like a whole pack, not a whole pack, but a whole page of 2026, like the year 2026 that you can use. So for this one, this is where I'll be putting down like what I've used, like the stickers that I'll be using for each month. And I also used, actually, this is from the Pretty Pink Co. Advent Calendar, those frames, because I'm like, what do I use? What do I use this, like this frames for? And I'm like, yeah, let's use it for like frames for my themes. So that's exactly what I did here, and I was able to use it up pretty much. And yeah, this will be where I'll just put all the stickers of that month that I used, like the sticker kits that I used for that month, like just some stickers, leftover stickers that I can put in there. And I'm really excited about this page because I've seen so many journals that have this kind of pages in their journals, and I really like how it comes out. So yeah, just putting in some stickers, not a lot, because of course if you're like going to fill up your page with like the whole year, right, you don't really put in much stickers because you need the pages for the information you need. So for this section, I will be doing the 2026 snapshot. So actually I saw this from Jashi Corin. So you can get so many ideas from her videos or her YouTube channel on what to do for your bullet journal. And this one I found this was what really got my eye from all the things that she suggested. And this is the snapshot wherein you have like 3 points that you want to track during the year or at least every month. And so I have the S is for social media, to track my YouTube and Instagram. And B is for books, which will be the number of books that I've read for that month. And W is actually for weight, because I've been trying to lose weight, and that's the way I'll be tracking my hopefully my journey to weight loss. We'll see. So that will let me know what happens every month. So I really like that section. And then this next one is the 2026 highlight. So this one I actually saw from the journal corner, and I really like that. It's this page where you put in like events that happens that are like highlights of the year itself. So it's just to look back on what has happened in 2026, anything big, anything, special events and all the jazz. All right. So on the other half of the page, I will be putting down in the news. So this will be the page where I will put down like what will happen in 2026, right? What's the big news that will be, that will happen next year. So it's very interesting, just to get another snapshot of what happens during the year. And I'm just using the full, like the boxes from the kit, because I'm like, yeah, it just looks like notes of news. And then just to add some more decoration, I just put some florals because there's still a lot of stickers from the kit. So I'm like, yeah, let's put in the florals just to add some nice nice stickers there. So yeah, this is it for my 2026 bullet journal. I'm so excited to use this because this will be the first time that I've actually done it this way. So I'm excited to fill out the spaces, like this stuff in here, because, just to keep track of everything for the year. But I will also be doing my monthly journals, and I'm excited because I already started on my January journal, and that will be coming out soon as well. Thank you for watching, and Happy New Year, Happy 2026, and I hope to see you next year again. Bye!